Fimi X8 SE 2022 V2 with the new Fimi TX-10 Smart Controller. First flight. Got that coming up next. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. Fimi has just released its Fimi TX-10 Smart Controller for the Fimi X8 SE 2022 V2. I recently received it and we took it out for its first flight. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. Okay, we're going to go ahead and test the Fimi X8 SE 2022 V2 with the new Fimi TX-10 Smart Controller. And I'm going to show you the Smart Controller here. Let's take a look and see. So you can take a look at it. There's some reflection in it, but all in all, I'm very impressed with the screen. It's a fairly bright day here in Florida. So, looks like we're ready to go. Got satellites. I'm going to hit. We're going to be shooting 4K 30. So that is going. Okay, the drone is up. Let me get this up to about 100 feet here or so. Okay, we're around 100 feet. Let's go ahead and take it down, that end down there. Adjust the gimbal here a little bit. There we go, that's better. Thing's looking real good. This is the weight of the TX-10 is a lot like the DJI RC Pro. It is fairly beefy. It weighs more than the DJI RC for sure. We're right around 1,200 feet here. And we're going to go ahead and turn things around. Responsiveness of the controller is fantastic. I really like it. It's very, very good. Let's go ahead and bring it out this way. Thing's looking real good here. I'm going to take it down to the highway here. One thing that the Fimi TX-10 has, not only has a built-in screen recorder, it also has a built-in microphone as well. So that's a added plus that the DJI RC and the DJI RC Pro do not have. Again, we are in normal mode. It's right around 23 miles an hour. Things looking real good here. Okay, we're seeing some horizon tilt with this here, which is unusual because the first flight I had none. I did do a compass calibration before we went out here, so let's see if when I'm going to do a return to home from when we get down to the it's not bad in terms of what I've seen before, my previous Fimi X8 SE, but it is there, it is noticeable. It's not bad. It really, just to kind of take a good look at it here, it's not bad. we're just going to shoot some video here for a little bit. I'm going to point the gimbal down just a little bit more. Kind of at the intersection a little bit there. Okay, we're going to do return to home here. At around 21 miles an hour, it is in normal mode at about 115 feet. Locked onto satellites very quickly. I was very impressed with that. Steve, I'm going to put this up for a second here so see if you could see what it looks like. There is some reflection. I can't do anything about that, but I just wanted to give you a feel for what it looks like from here. I'm impressed with it. It looks good. I'm going to adjust the gimbal here. Okay, well, there's some wonkiness with that gimbal there. That was interesting. It has not detected the landing pad. Now it has detected the landing pad. Let's see how we do here. Did the same thing the first time as it did the first time. It just about to hit the pad and then it goes right off the pad. So all in all, not a bad first flight with the Fimi X8 SE 2022 V2 with the TX-10 Smart Controller. Smart Controller did well. A couple of things there that gimbal, when I was trying to put it down, looked a little wonky and a little bit of horizon tilt there, but all in all, not a bad flight at all. Question of the day. What did you think of the Fimi X8 SE 2022 V2 first flight with the Fimi TX-10 Smart Controller? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.